Welcome to episode 1 of our makeup series, Classic Festive Glam. In this episode, we will guide you through creating a classic and timeless Eidul Azha makeup look. This look is perfect for those who want to embrace elegance and sophistication during the festive season. Let's get started. Start with a clean and moisturized face. Apply a primer to create a smooth canvas for your makeup. Allow the primer to set for a few minutes before moving on to the next step. Use a medium to full coverage foundation that matches your skin tone. Apply the foundation evenly all over your face using a foundation brush, sponge, or your fingertips. Blend it outwards and downwards for a seamless finish. Conceal any blemishes, dark circles, or redness with a creamy concealer and blend it well. Use a loose or pressed powder to set your foundation and concealer. Gently dust the powder all over your face, focusing on the T-zone and areas prone to oiliness. Use a fluffy brush for a lighter application or a powder puff for more coverage. Fill in your eyebrows using an eyebrow pencil or powder that matches your hair color. Define the shape of your brows by following your natural arch and creating soft, feathery strokes. Use a spoolie brush to comb through the brows and blend the product for a natural look. Apply a neutral matte eyeshadow shade all over your eyelids as a base. Use a slightly darker shade in the crease to create depth and dimension. Apply a shimmery eyeshadow on the center of your eyelids for a subtle pop. Blend the shades together seamlessly for a soft and elegant eye look. Create a classic winged eyeliner using a black liquid or gel liner. Start with a thin line along your lash line, gradually making it thicker towards the outer corner. Extend the line slightly beyond your natural lash line for a flattering winged effect. Repeat the same process on the other eye, ensuring both wings are symmetrical. Apply a coat of mascara to your upper and lower lashes. Wiggle the mascara wand at the base of your lashes and then sweep upward for volume and length. If desired, apply false lashes for extra drama and intensity. Trim the false lashes to fit your eye shape, apply a thin layer of lash adhesive, and carefully place them as close to your natural lash line as possible. Step 8. Blush and highlight. Choose a soft, rosy blush shade that complements your skin tone. Smile and apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending it upwards towards your temples. Apply a subtle highlighter to the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow. Step 9. Lip color. Opt for a classic lip color like a deep red, berry, or nude shade. Start by lining your lips with a lip liner that matches the chosen lip color. Fill in your lips with the lip liner to create a base that enhances the longevity of the lip color. Apply the lipstick using a lip brush or directly from the tube, starting from the center and moving towards the corners. Blot your lips with a tissue and reapply the lipstick for a long-lasting finish. Optionally, add a touch of gloss to the center of your lips for extra dimension and shine. Final touch. Take a moment to admire your classic and timeless Eidul Azha makeup look. Spritz a setting spray lightly over your face to lock in your makeup and keep it looking fresh throughout the day. Outro. Congratulations! You've successfully created a classic and timeless Eidul Azha makeup look. We hope you enjoyed this episode.